Ready? Start. From the aforesaid discussion and from a closer scrutiny of the provisions of Section 84 read with Section 98 of the Representation of the People Act 1951, the irresistible conclusion to which we have reached is that in a case where election is challenged by a person whose nomination itself was rejected full stop, the relief which is permissible in the election petition is that election of the returned candidate may be declared to be void. However, the relief of declaration of such a person to have been duly elected would not be permissible. Full stop para. We now proceed to consider as to what relief the petitioner would have been entitled to even if he had succeeded in the election petition. Full stop para. We may hasten to add that we are refraining ourselves from pronouncing any verdict as to whether the review petition filed by the petitioner against the judgment and order passed by this court dismissing his election petition is maintainable under law or not, for the reason that this may amount to prejudging the issue in these proceedings. Full stop para. Even if we presume that review petition would be maintainable, the question for the purpose of maintaining this petition would be as to what relief the petitioner would be entitled to in case the review petition is allowed. Full stop. Presuming the review petition to be maintainable, the relief which would be permissible would not travel beyond the relief which the petitioner would be entitled to in the election petition. Full stop. The reliefs which are permissible in an election petition cannot go beyond what has been prescribed in Section 84, read with Section 98 of the Representation of the People Act 1951. Full stop. Admittedly, in the instant case, the petitioner had not contested the election for the reason that his nomination was rejected and the ground on which the election petition was filed by the petitioner was illegal rejection of his nomination. Full stop. In this fact situation, even if the election petition would be allowed, the petitioner at the most can get the relief of declaration of election of all or any of the returned candidates to be void. Full stop. Since he had not contested the election, he cannot be granted relief of a declaration that he was duly elected. Full stop para. The grounds on which an election can be declared to be void are enumerated in Section 100, whereas grounds for which a candidate other than a returned candidate will be declared to have been elected can be found in Section 101 of the Representation of the People Act. Full stop. A perusal of Section 101 establishes that there are two grounds on which a candidate other than the returned candidate may be declared to have been elected, and these grounds are: the petitioner received a majority of valid votes, or but for the votes obtained by the returned candidate by the corrupt practices, the petitioner would have obtained majority of valid votes. Full stop para. The aforesaid two grounds enumerated in Section 101 will be available to a person challenging the election by way of filing an election petition only when he contests the election full stop. Thanks friends watching my video. Like, share and subscribe please.